Monkeys are known for their incredible physical strength, agility, and dexterity. From swinging through trees to jumping long distances, their movements are a testament to their impressive strength.
But have you ever wondered why monkeys are so much stronger than humans? The answer lies in their biology, which has evolved over millions of years to give them greater strength-to-weight ratios than humans.
In this video, we'll explore the key factors that contribute to a monkey's strength, including muscle fibers, joint structure, energy systems, and nervous system efficiency. By the end, you'll have a better understanding of the incredible physical abilities of our primate cousins and why they're such impressive athletes in their natural habitats. Several key factors contribute to a monkey's strength. The first factor is muscle fibers. Monkeys have more fast-twitch muscle fibers than humans, which are responsible for producing quick and powerful movements. These muscle fibers allow them to exert more force and move more quickly than humans. The second factor is joint structure. Monkeys have longer forelimbs relative to their body size, which means their muscles attach closer to their joints, allowing them to generate more force. Additionally, their shoulder and hip joints are more mobile, allowing for a greater range of motion and flexibility. This increased mobility also makes their movements more fluid and efficient. The third factor is energy systems. Monkeys have more efficient energy systems than humans. They have a greater number of mitochondria in their muscle cells, which are responsible for producing energy. This allows them to sustain high levels of activity for longer periods than humans. Monkeys are also able to store glycogen more effectively, which is the body's primary fuel source during exercise. Finally, their nervous systems are more efficient. Monkeys have larger motor neurons, which are responsible for sending signals to the muscles to contract. This allows for faster and more powerful contractions, leading to faster and more coordinated movements. They also have more specialized neural pathways for certain movements, which allows them to execute them with greater precision and efficiency. One of the key factors that contribute to a monkey's strength is its muscle fibers. Monkeys have more fast-twitch muscle fibers than humans. Fast-twitch fibers are responsible for producing quick and powerful movements, such as jumping and sprinting. These fibers can generate more force than slow-twitch fibers, which are used for endurance activities like long-distance running.
Research has shown that monkeys have up to 3 times as many fast-twitch fibers as humans. This means that they can exert more force and move more quickly than humans.
Monkeys also have larger muscle fibers, which allows for greater force production. It's important to note that while monkeys have more fast-twitch muscle fibers than humans have a greater proportion of slow-twitch fibers.
This allows us to excel in endurance activities like long-distance running or cycling.
However, when it comes to explosive movements that require a lot of force, monkeys have the upper hand due to their higher concentration of fast-twitch fibers.
Another factor that contributes to a monkey's strength is its joint structure.
Monkeys have longer forelimbs relative to their body size, which means that their muscles attach closer to their joints.
This allows them to generate more force when they move.
Additionally, their shoulder and hip joints are more mobile than those of humans, which allows for a greater range of motion and flexibility. In particular, the shoulder joint of a monkey is much more mobile than that of a human. This allows them to use their arms to swing from branch to branch or to hang from a tree for extended periods. The hip joint of a monkey is also more mobile than a human's, which allows for greater stride length and power during jumping or running. Furthermore, the joint structure of a monkey's fingers and toes allows for greater gripping strength. Their fingers and toes have opposable digits, which means that they can grasp objects and support their weight in a way that humans cannot. Overall, the joint structure of a monkey's body allows them to generate more force, move more efficiently, and perform impressive feats of strength and agility. The energy systems of a monkey's body are also a key factor in its strength. Monkeys have more efficient energy systems than humans, allowing them to sustain high levels of activity for longer periods.
One of the primary energy sources for muscle contraction is ATP, adenosine triphosphate.
Monkeys have a greater number of mitochondria in their muscle cells than humans, which are responsible for producing ATP. This means that they can produce more energy during exercise and sustain high levels of activity for longer periods. Additionally, monkeys can store glycogen more effectively than humans. Glycogen is a stored form of glucose, which is the body's primary fuel source during exercise.
When the body needs energy, glycogen is broken down into glucose and used to produce ATP.
Monkeys have more efficient glycogen storage and usage, allowing them to perform high-intensity exercise for longer periods without fatiguing as quickly as humans. Furthermore, monkeys have a higher tolerance for lactic acid buildup in their muscles. Lactic acid is a byproduct of intense exercise and can cause fatigue and muscle soreness. Monkeys can clear lactic acid from their muscles more quickly, allowing them to sustain high levels of activity without the buildup of lactic acid slowing them down. Overall, the combination of efficient energy systems and glycogen storage allows monkeys to sustain high levels of activity for longer periods than humans. This gives them an advantage in tasks that require prolonged bouts of strength and endurance, such as swinging from tree to tree or climbing for extended periods.
The nervous system is another factor that contributes to a monkey's strength.
Monkeys have a more developed and efficient nervous system than humans, which allows for faster and more precise muscle contractions. One of the key components of the nervous system is the neuromuscular junction, which is the connection between nerves and muscles. Monkeys have a higher number of neuromuscular junctions than humans, which means that there is a greater level of communication between the nervous system and the muscles. This allows for faster and more precise muscle contractions, resulting in greater strength and control over movement. Furthermore, monkeys have a more highly developed cerebellum than humans. The cerebellum is responsible for coordinating and fine-tuning movement, and a more highly developed cerebellum allows for more precise and efficient movements. This is especially important for activities that require a high level of coordination and balance, such as tree climbing or swinging. Finally, monkeys have a more highly developed motor cortex than humans. The motor cortex is responsible for planning and executing movements, and a more highly developed motor cortex allows for more complex and coordinated movements. This gives monkeys an advantage in tasks that require a high level of motor control and dexterity, such as manipulating objects or performing acrobatic movements. Overall, the more highly developed and efficient nervous system of a monkey allows for faster and more precise muscle contractions, greater coordination and balance, and more complex and coordinated movements.
This contributes to their impressive strength and agility.
In conclusion, monkeys are much stronger than humans due to a combination of factors including their muscle fibers, joint structure, energy systems, and nervous system. Monkeys have a higher proportion of fast-twitch muscle fibers, longer forelimbs, more mobile joints, more efficient energy systems, and a more developed and efficient nervous system. These adaptations allow them to generate more force, move more efficiently, and perform impressive feats of strength and agility. While humans have their unique strengths, such as our endurance and intelligence, we cannot match the raw physical strength of monkeys.
By studying the adaptations that make monkeys so strong, we can gain a better understanding of the biomechanics of movement and the limits of human performance.
Perhaps one day we will be able to apply these insights to improve our physical capabilities and performance.